再次提醒大家，场内请勿饮食。节目进行中，手机请关静音，以免影响演出品质。
Good morning, musical enthusiasts. Welcome back to Mission Impossible 34, the Piano Odyssey. I'm Xavier, your guide to another thrilling chapter of our musical expedition. It's fantastic to see some familiar faces around, and for those of you guys joining us for the first time, welcome aboard. Now, before we begin, we would like to kindly remind our audience that eating or drinking is strictly prohibited inside the hall, and we'd also request you to kindly turn off your cell phones or switch them to manner mode.
老师、各位同学，大家好！感谢大家今天来观赏我们钢琴入门与欣赏的期末表演。接下来就有请授课教师林世友老师为我们致辞。
各位同学，大家早安。早。说早还没醒来，对不对 ？OK， 好。你看我的声音也是还没醒来。但是我的心早就醒来了。好，今天非常特别的日子。哎，我怎么讲中文 ？So I need to speak English because for all the audience. Okay. Thank you for coming. Today is a very special day because I think for most of you, today is the last day for this semester. And for the last day, so many feelings in this last day because very exhausting day because I think this is the evaluation week, right? Last day of the evaluation week, and today is also the day for relax because after today, all the exam finish and you feel very relaxing. Maybe you are planning your winter vacation. Where are you going to? Me too. I have two trips in this winter vacation. Yeah, and today. It's very special because the students will perform what they have learned in this semester. I think it's very hard. So I set the title as Mission Impossible because for the class, I was almost half of the students is beginners. For playing music instruments, especially piano, is really difficult. Okay, if you want to be professional, minimum 1 day, 3 or 4 hours to practice. And maybe 3 or 4 years, then you can really perform on the stage. But for the students, the time is very limited and only 1 semester. Yeah, only 1 semester, and I know you are so occupied by so many credits, so many courses, and the students also can plan their time to practice, and I really appreciate their hard working. Because of their hard working, their persistency in practicing, and they can perform on the stage. But anyway, I think the most important is that we have the audience, because the audience to participate. And I appreciate that the school, we have such a good equipment for you to sit comfortable. And we have a pretty good piano that so the students can perform. Okay, so I think we are very excited for the performance. So let's enjoy the music. Thank you.
第1位叶世豪。
And he'll be playing A River Flows in You by Iruma.